Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to overclock your monitor in Windows. This video is gonna be real easy and yeah, let's get started. So what you need to have, first of all, make sure you have installed GeForce Experience and the latest drivers from your graphics card, because if you do not do these two steps, then NVIDIA control panel won't show up. If you have already done these two steps, then you're good to go. So after you have done these two steps, right click to the desktop and click NVIDIA control panel. Then this is where we're going to overclock our monitor. Then right here in the display section, click the first one, change resolution. Then below all the resolutions right here, click customize. And make sure, by default it's going to be unchecked. Make sure you check enable resolutions not exposed by the display, because if you have it unchecked, it's not going to work. And then click below it, create custom resolution. Then right here we're going to change the refresh rate below the horizontal pixels. The other settings we're not going to change, let everything default, and we're going only to change the hertz right here. So if you have a 60 Hz display, I recommend you doing it one by one. So what I mean by that is pretty simple. Go 61, then click test, then 62 test, then 63 test. Do not go straight up to 75, for example, because you do not know how much you can overclock your monitor. I'm going to test it right now. I'm going to put 61 and click test. I'm pretty sure it won't show it in the recording. It says here test successful, custom resolution 1920 by 1080 at 61 Hz. I'm gonna click no. The maximum resolution that my monitor can go is 74. I put it to 75 and gave me a black screen and it said out of range. Yeah, my monitor can go up to 74. It will depend on your monitor how much it can go. For some monitors it's gonna go up to 85 Hz if it's a 60 Hz display. Maybe they have better overclock capabilities. And yeah, I'm gonna put, for example, right now 65. And then after you have changed the refresh rate, click test and then click yes. And as you can see right here, it says custom 1920 by 1080 at 65 Hz. And then after that, click OK, and it will say choose the custom right here. Then click apply. And then click again yes right here. It says apply changes. Click yes. And then you're done. Mine, it gives me a bit of yellowish color, but yours may be totally white. So thanks for watching, guys. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See ya.